can see, I'm in the kitchen. So, hey, I'm in the kitchen and it is November, and this is the time where I always start baking my pumpkin spice muffins, bread, cakes, all that good stuff. So let me just show you. As you can see in the back, I've already started on my muffins back here, and this is my pumpkin spice muffins back here, and I am going to fill up these 12 cupcake little tins. Once I get those done, then I'm going to start on my cake, my pumpkin spice cake, and then I am going to do my bread, and then I will be done. But let me give you a close-up of my muffins. These are my pumpkin spice muffins. This is an up-close look on them, and they are doing a great job. And these are the ones I just took out of the oven. As you can see, let me pick up one so you guys can get a better look. Ooh, these are still hot, 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 but this is what they look like. And Isaiah's already been down here eating them as quick as I can get them out of the oven, but it's just me and him that likes to eat pumpkin spice. So, hey, I have no problem with that. So when I get my cake done, I will put this at the end of this video so you guys can see that. And it's just going to be a sheet cake. I'm not going to do like a big cake because, like I said, it's just me and Isaiah that eats this. So I am rocking and rolling. I'm hoping you guys are in your kitchens making some yummy, yummy, yummy goodness like I am in my kitchen. All right, guys, I'll be back when my cake is ready. I have finished my pumpkin spice sheet cake, and I sprinkled on top of it my favorite nut, which are pecans. Doesn't that look just heavenly? And you know what I'm going to do? Watch this. As you know, I had to take a piece out of the sheet cake, and you know you have to try it. So here we go. Look at that. Doesn't it look beautiful? And it's going straight into my tummy. It is moist. It has that pumpkin spice flavor. It is amazing. This would be perfect with some ice cream. Still a little warm, so once it really cools off, it's gonna taste heavenly. All right, you guys, I just wanted to let you see that your girl has been in the kitchen cooking and making up some beautiful, beautiful little treats. Let me move my fork out of the way so you'll be able to see this beautiful dessert. All right, guys, hope you're in your kitchen whipping up some nice fall goodies that be yummy, yummy for your tummy. All right, guys, have a wonderful day, and thanks for all the support that you guys have been giving me on this channel. I wanted to let you know how much I really, really, really appreciate you guys. All right, you guys, take care.
Hello, everybody. It's your great co-host. Today I'm host, though, but it's your great host, Isaiah. Man, what I have in front of me is... I'm sorry, it's not full. I took, like, a whole bunch earlier. But I just want to review them because, like, every time they hit the exact same, so it's great. Right, we got pumpkin spice muffins. You know, it's November. Come on, man. This is reaching the end of fall. So we had to... So my wonderful grandmother behind the phone made me these. I'm about to eat all of them. Right, but that's besides the point. You know, got these. The whole point is, you know, try them out. Well, not really try at this point, but I'll let you guys know if they're good or not. Which they are. I'm gonna give you a spoiler. Sorry. Anyways, gotta grab a good one, man. See, on top, so it's a bit darker, like it's scattered because there's, you know, there's butter, then there's like the pumpkin spice seasoning or whatever. You know, it's great. Makes it taste. Man, without further ado, let's get in, man. Let's get in, man. Make sure you get all of it, man. Gotta get to talk, man. That's the best part.
He's been eating these muffins all day long.
I literally think I have nothing else to eat but these, besides a banana. It's what the fill me up all day.
But that's what it's all about, because it's only me and Isaiah that eats these. So I told him he has no limit. He can eat as much as he wants. Because I love to bake, and I finally have somebody to bake for.
Yep.
And I am so excited.
I ain't really that much of a candy person, per se. But it comes to cakes and stuff like this, I'm on it.
It's all right, because this is the time of the season. We go into November, and then next it's Christmas. Woohoo! Now I'm going to really do some baking there. I don't know what I'm going to make, but I'm going to make something.
And I'm going to be there bodying it, like, you know, because why not?
All right, Zay. I see that you're enjoying your 15th muffin.
Yeah, man, I say it. Realistically speaking, I think it's like my 8th one.
I'm just messing with you as always.
I don't know, the number's gonna go up to 15, trust, but
That's okay, as long as my grandson is enjoying it. That's what it's all about.
that was great.
So, I'll let him enjoy his muffin. Sign us off, Zay.
Yep, a little PS. If you got the baking, the culinary skills, make these. I feel like we do it, man. Great. It's great. But yeah, time to sign out. You already know the trail at this point. If you're new, here's what it is, right? So there's this red button, right? It has white letters on it. Actually, I don't know. I think YouTube changes things, so now it's a white button that says subscribe. Whatever. I don't know why they didn't keep it red, but anyways, it's a white button that subscribe, black letters. Click that, you know. And there you go. You're part of the crew, man. You can boost that a little bit by pressing the notification bell. Every time a video get bing, you hear it. You get a notification. All right, and then bam, you can see the video when it drops. Ain't that cool? I know, right? But also make sure you hit the like button. Gotta catch that algorithm. You know, make sure everybody else sees me eating a muffin. Yeah, man. Just like that. Bye. That was strong enough.
Yep. All right. Hope you guys are having a great day. This is a bonus clip all from Isaiah showing you how much he's enjoying them pumpkin spice muffins. All right, guys. With that being said, we are out.
We are out.
All right. Take care.